little rabbit hopping with delight. He built his house and cooked his stew with friends and family all day through.
In the deep blue sea, so wide and free, lived a tortoise, happy as can be. He splashed and swam with fish all day. In a sea of fun, he loved to play.
But one dark day, the waves grew high, the wind howled loud across the sky. A cyclone swirled with a mighty roar and tossed the tortoise to the shore. He crashed and rolled, he cried in pain. He couldn't get back to sea again. But the rabbit ran so fast and kind, he brought his friend and didn't mind. Helping hands, helping hearts, that's where true friendship starts. In the sun or stormy weather, friends will always stick together. Then one day the volcano blew, the ocean rose, the strong winds flew. A giant wave came crashing down, it washed away the bunny's town. The rabbit cried, he couldn't float. He lost his food, his tiny boat. I'm sinking now, he thought with dread. But then his friend came back and said, hold on tight, I'm here for you. Friends like us will make it through. He swam and swam through wave and foam and brought the rabbit safely home. Helping hands, helping hearts, that's where true friendship starts. From sea to land, from sky to sand, together we will always stand. True friends shine when skies turn gray. They help you smile and find your way.